Hello, in this video we're going to learn how to find a domain of a function, and our question is, let fx equal to the square root of x plus 7 minus the square root of x squared plus 2x minus 15. Find the domain of f. So to find the domain of f, we have to know the idea that the square root is always greater than or equal to 0. So a square root is not a negative number. So this one should be greater or equal to 0, and also this one should be greater or equal to 0. Now we have x plus 7 should be greater or equal to 0. So our first answer will be x is greater or equal to negative 7. Then the second one is x squared plus 2x minus 15 is greater or equal to 0. So in this case, we are going to factorize this, and that will be factors. We have a 5 and a 3, and let the 3 be the negative. So factorizing this, our answer will be x plus 5, then x minus 3 being greater or equal to 0. And in this case, our critical values are negative 5 and 3. So we're going to use these critical values to find a solution to that inequality. And I prefer using the graphical approach, that we have our x and y axis, and this curve has a minimum value, but it passes through negative 5 and 3. So assuming it is like this, it's just a sketch, and we are interested in values of y which are greater than 0. The positive values of y are all above the x-y axis. So you're interested in this part and this part. And now, since our negative 5 and 3 are inclusive, it will mean that we shall take them into consideration. So our inequality for this part, which is going this side, is x is less or equal to negative 5. And for this part, which is going to the positive side, it is x is greater or equal to 3. So let me first write the 7 here. It was x is greater than, x is greater or equal to negative 7. We have x is less or equal to negative 5. And we have x is greater or equal to 3. First, look at this and that. X is greater or equal to negative 7 and x is less than negative, less or equal to negative 5. These two give us one combined inequality, which will be negative 7 is less or equal to x, and x is less or equal to negative 5. And this one stays the way it is. So this one become our answers. Thank you.